tell us a little bit about the challenges that a mill faces in enhancing the brightness of the paper and the pulp?
Okay, for uncoated papers, what you tend to have you to pretty much two distinct areas. You've got the publication paper, which uses, generally speaking, mechanical pulps, but then you've got the office publication papers, which tend to be using pure cellulose or the chemical type pulps. Both of these pulps have distinct different properties. First of all, the mechanical pulp is wood containing, therefore is inherently yellowish stroke greenish, and the chemical pulps less so.
Okay, so obviously then you have to apply some chemicals to that pulp to address those issues and get obviously the color and the enhancement to the white side. So how does a mill go about doing that?
Well, for the higher quality chemical pulps, for office papers, for example, people demand high brightness, high whiteness, and to some degree some UV resistance as well, because the whatever's printed on those papers, they want it to stay there for a while and look quite pleasing to the eye. So generally speaking, those people will be using optical brightness in combination with high light fastness pigments, such as pigment violet 23 and pigment blue 15. On the other hand, if you're using mechanical pulps, you've got a bit more of a challenge to get the whiteness, brightness there. So generally speaking, that will be bleached and very often then followed through with optical brightener, together with maybe pigments with a slightly lower fastness, such as pigment violet 3, but still using the pigment blue 15. That's because publication papers tend to be, you read them and then you tip them in the bin, recycling bin.